I said, no. I said, if we were in high school, I'd take him behind the gym and beat the hell out of him.
I will go and take Trump out tonight.
Too many see the protests as the problem. Please, show me where it says that protests are supposed to be polite and peaceful.
Go to the Hill today. Get up in the face of some Congress people.
And if you see anybody from that cabinet in a restaurant, you get out and you create a crowd. And you push back on them. And you tell them they're not welcome.
Running away from Donald Trump, I think you need to go back and punch him in the face.
When they go low, we kick.
You know, there needs to be unrest in the streets for as long as there's unrest in our lives.
They're still going to have to go out and put a bullet in Donald Trump, and that's a fact.
Sinzi niba nabyita ubuhanuzi ariko byari byaravuzwe inshuro nyinshi ko ibi bizaba. Uwahoze ari perezida wa Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika Donald Trump hari habuze gato ngo yicwe bwari muri kampeni yo kwiyamamaza muri Pennsylvania. Wagerageje kumwica ni umusore w'imyaka 20. Byatahuwe n'ikigo cy'iperereza cya FBI kamazina ye ya nyayo ari Thomas Matthew Crooks. Ni byinshi bivuga kuri iyi nkuru yamaze kugira mu matwi ya benshi ku isi. Trump yagerageje kwicwa. Ese nakagambane kabo hejuru mu butegetsi bwa Amerika cyane ko mbere y'igihe kinini ngo bibe byari byaravuzwe inshuro nyinshi ko bishoboka. Ese n'ubwo yabipanze kugira ngo yigarurire imitima y'abanyamerika cyangwa cyari icyemezo bwite cya Matthew Crooks wagerageje kumuhitana. Byose nabyegeranije. Tubane nanjye muri iyi nkuru, ni muri kumwe ndi Kayira intwari Bertrand. Mwibutsa gukanda like na subscribe kugira ngo inkuru zacu zigeze kugeraho mu buryo bworoshye. Nyuma y'uko Trump bamurasheho aho yari ari muri Pennsylvania, abashinzwe umutekano w'umukuru w'igihugu Secret Service bahise barwana no kumuryama hejuru barinda ko hari irindi sasu ryamufata. Nyuma yaho hakomeje kumvikana n'urundi rusaku rw'amasasu. Nyuma yaho gato bahise bamukuraho bamujyana mu modoka ye yari mutegereje. Yese asubira mu rugo rwe ruherereye i New Jersey. Ishyaka ry'abarepublican ari naryo ahagarariye mu matora y'umukuru w'igihugu biciye ku rubuga rwaryo ryahise ritangaza ko atekanye kandi kameze neza abikesheje inzego zishinzwe umutekano. Ikigo gishinzwe iperereza cya FBI nicyo cyahise gifata inshingano zo gukomeza gukora iperereza ku byabaye. Mu butumwa yacishije ku rukuta rwa Truth Social yatangaje ko isasu ryamuciye ku gice cyo hejuru ku gutwi. Ati, nahise menya ko hari ikintu kitameze neza ubwo numvaga ikintu cyiza kiduhera. Numva abantu barasa, ubundi numva isasu ritobora uruhu. Nabonye amaraso menshi ava. Nibwo namenye neza ibyari biri kuba. Nyuma yo guhaguruka aho yari aryamye kuri stage, Trump yagaragaye afite amaraso ku gutwi no kwitamo. Polisi ya Pennsylvania yatangaje ko nta kindi gikorwa cy'umutekano muke cyongeye kugaragara nyuma y'iri raswa. Ukekwaho kurasa we yishwe. Nkuko bishimangirwa na Anthony Guglielmi, umuvugizi wa Secret Service ishinzwe umutekano w'abanyacyubahiro muri Amerika, harimo n'umukuru w'igihugu. Yongeyeho ko umwe mu baturage bari baje kureba Trump yishwe. Abandi babiri nabo barakomereka mu buryo bukomeye. Aba bose bakaba bari abagabo. Inzego zishinzwe umutekano zatangarije CBS News ko Matthew Crooks yari afite imbunda ndende yo mu bwoko bwa AR. Akaba yarashe ari ku nyubako yari iri muri metero nke uvuye aho Trump yari ari gutangariza ijambo rye. Special Agent Kevin Rojek wa FBI yemeje ko ibyabaye bifatwa nko kugerageza kwica umuntu. Kevin Rojek yongeye ko umurambo wa Crooks basanze nta byangombwa bimuranga yari afite. Kugira ngo bamenye neza uwo ari we byasabye ko abanza gupima ibizamini bye bya DNA. Kugeza uyu munsi ntabwo yaramenyekana neza icyaba cyatumye akora ibi. Amakuru y'abatora agaragaza ko mu busanzwe Crooks nawe yari umurepublikani. Kugeza ubu ikizwe ku buzima bwe nuko yize mu ishuri rya Bethel Park, akaba yarasoje mu 2022.
Thomas Crooks.
Bisa nkaho ari ingengabihe igenda yisubiramo cyangwa akabari yikurikizwa mu gihe umaze kugira ijambo rikomeye muri Amerika cyangwa ku isi yose muri rusange, ariko akaba avuga iby'igicucu kimwe cy'abantu kitifuza. Bwa mbere baragucecekesha biciye mu gufunga imbuga nkoranyambaga ukoresha. Ubwa kabiri baragufunga cyangwa bakakugerekaho urusyo biciye mu birego byose bishoboka mu nkiko. ibi byose byanze uricwa. Ku itariki 8 mu kwezi kwa mbere 2021 Trump nibwo yahanaguye ku mbuga nkoranyambaga zose ashinjwa guhembera urugomo mu baturage nyuma y'imyigaragambyo yabereye ku nyubako ya Capitol ikoreramo kongere y'iki gihugu. Abaperezida wa mbere mu bayoboye cyangwa bayobora Amerika ukorewe ibi. Ku itariki 31 ukwezi kwa gatanu 2024 Trump yahamijwe ibyaha 34 mu rukiko rwa New York ashinjwa kwishyura amafaranga umukinnyikazi wa filimi z'urukozasoni agamije kumucecekesha kugira ngo ntashyire hanze iby'amabanga yabo. Aha nabwo yaciye agahigo ko kuba uwa mbere mu bayoboye Amerika mu guhamwa n'icyaha icyo ari cyo cyose. Tariki 16 ukwezi kwa karindwi 2024 nabwo Trump yaciye akandi gahigo kaherukaga kuba mu myaka 43 ishize. Yabaye perezida wa mbere mu myaka 43 wagerageje kwicwa nyuma ya Ronald Reagan mu 1941 nawe wakomerekejwe icyo gihe. Kuri ya ngengabihe navugaga bisa nkaho ari cyo cyari gisigaye. Niba baramusibye ku mbuga nkoranyambaga agahamwa ibyaha n'inkiko ariko agakomeza kugaragaza ugukomera, nta cyari gisigaye uretse kumwivugana. Aya ni amagambo y'umunyamakuru ukomeye Tucker Carlson yatangaje mu kwezi kwa 8 2023. Ni hafi umwaka ushize. Aha yabazwaga niba Trump ashobora kwicwa.
Former Fox News host Tucker Carlson again suggesting that he expects Donald Trump to be assassinated. Let's watch.
Are they going to let Trump be president?
No, of course. I mean, look.
Cyane rwose nakoreba. Bamwigometseho, bamwita amazina n'ubundi aratsinda. Bagerageje kumweguza inshuro ebyiri mu buryo nabwo budasobanutse. Bahimbahimbye ibyabaye ku itariki ya 6 z'ukwezi kwa mbere. Nabwo kugira ngo bamweguze ntibyakora. Yaragarutse bahita bamujyana mu nkiko. Nabyo ntibyakora ahubwo akomeza kwamamara kurushaho. Nanone bamujyana mu zindi nkiko inshuro 3. Buri nshuro yose ubwamamare bwe bwakomeje kuzamuka. Batangiye bamunnyega, bamwigomekaho, bagerageza kumweguza none banamujyana mu nkiko. Nta na kimwe kigeze gikora, none ubu ni iki gikurikiyeho. Nawe gerageza kubishyira mu nyurabwenge yawe. Turi kwihuta tugana ku kwicwa mu bigaragara. Nta n'umwe uzabivuga ariko sinzi impamvu yakubuza kubitekereza gutyo. Bafashe icyemezo. Amashyaka yombi yafashe icyemezo ko niba hari ikintu kidasanzwe kuri Trump babona batazihanganira, ntabwo bazemera ko abayobora.
Ntabwo ari abasesenguzi ba politike gusa kuko abavuga butumwa hamwe n'abanyamadini baturutse mu bice byose bitandukanye by'isi bemeje ko ibi ari ibintu bishobora kuba cyane. Mu byo twavuga ko ari ubuhanuzi, bagiye basaba abatuye isi gusabira Trump kuko ari mu byago. Muri video yashyizwe hanze mu mezi 3 ashize kuri chaîne ya YouTube ya Steve Chiokoranti and Discover Ministries, Brandon Biggs neza yari yarabivuze ko ibi bizaba kuri Trump ndetse abivuga nk'uko byose twabyiboneye.
Throughout America, all throughout, and I saw Trump rising up, and then I saw an attempt on his life. This bullet flew by his ear, and it came so close to his head that it busted his eardrum. And I saw he fell to his knees during this time frame, and he started worshiping the Lord. He got radically born again during this time frame. I'm talking. People say he's saved now, but he becomes really on fire for Jesus, for what I saw coming. And then I saw people interceding when I saw him winning the presidency through great, the Lord showed me it would go clear into the summer, great persecution would come on him through the judges and through the law and all these people trying to sue him and all this stuff, but there would be a stop to it, and there things would start to break free come toward the fall. And then I saw him winning the election through the Patriots coming out and voting. And
pray for Donald Trump. Pray for him. Pray for him, because there are plans and ditches planned for him to fall in. But the Lord said, no, I'll protect him. Amen. But how does he protect him? He protects him by our prayers.
Assassinations, attempted assassinations, even assassinations. Where you say assassination attempt, what they used to say of Africa, they are about to see it in the Western world.
Kuba Trump bashaka kumukura mu nzira byo bisa nkaho bitakiri ibanga, ariko ikibazo gisigaye ni ninde ushaka ko Trump atajya ku butegetsi kabone niyo byaba bisaba kumukura mu buzima. Ninde wihishe inyuma y'ibi byose? Iki mbere yo kugisubiza turahera ku mpamvu nyirizina ituma bamukora ibi. abasesenguzi muri politiki ya Amerika bemeza ko byose bishingiye kuri politiki y'ububanyi n'amahanga y'iki gihugu. Amerika imeze nk'igihugu kimyuzura ibindi ndetse bikagenzura uko ibihugu abanyamerika bakunze kugenderera bigomba kwitwara. Nibo bagenzura amatora muri ibi bihugu ndetse bisa nk'aho izi imbaraga bari kuzikoresha mu kugerageza kwangiza ibihugu by'Uburayi, by'umwihariko babyinjiza mu ntambara bidafitemo inyungu iri hagati y'Uburusiya na Ukraine. Kugira gahunda imeze gutya rero biba binasobanuye kutifuza umuyobozi nka Trump. Trump mu ntego ze gushyira Amerika n'ubukungu byayo nibyo biza mbere. Ntibishimishe rero itsinda ry'abantu runaka bo bifuza ko Amerika n'inganda zayo zicura intwaro biza imbere y'ibindi byose, ari nabyo bibafasha gukomeza kumyuzura ibindi bihugu. Ntabwo bitaye niba bamwe mu baturage ba Amerika batabasha guhaha ibyo kurya. Icyo bashaka nuko intwaro bacura zikomeza kubona amasoko. Reka tugaruke ku kibazo twahereyeho twibaza tuti ninde wishe inyuma y'ibi byose. Icyo ubwacyo ni ikibazo kigoranye kugisubiza kuko nta muntu nyirizina wapfa gutunga agatoki uvuga ngo niwe wishe inyuma y'ibiri kuba kuri Trump. Abasesenguzi bavuga ko uko politiki yubatse byoroshye kumenya uwishe inyuma y'ikintu runaka. Mu Burusiya biroroshye ko Putin yaguhitana, Bin Salman muri Arabia Saudite akaguhitana, kuko muri ibi bihugu biroroshye kumenya umuyobozi waho n'ububasha afite. Mu gihe uri mu Burusiya cyangwa muri Arabia Saudite biroroshye kumenya utagomba kurakaza ndetse n'icyo utagomba gukora kuko umuyobozi wacyo nicyo ashobora kugukora biba bizwi. Ibi ariko biratandukanye cyane muri Amerika kuko mu basesenguzi bose b'abahanga nta n'umwe ushobora kugutungira agatoki ngo avuga ati uyu ni uyoboye Amerika, uyu niwe ntakwiye kurakaza. Bakomeza bavuga ko buri umwe wese yabonye uburyo Joe Biden yitwaye nabi mu biganiro mpaka biherutse kumuhuza na Trump, ariko ntibibuza abanyamerika gukomeza kwemeza ko uyu ari we perezida ubereye igihugu. Umugabo utagishobora kuvuga interuro ngo yumvikane arashaka gukomeza kuyobora, ariko ntacyo bibabwiye.
Republic of Brazil, accompanied by the Director General of the International Labor Organization.
And to say to President Biden, can you hear me, President Biden? This is a historical moment for Brazil and for the U.S. President Biden, can you hear me? You can? Yes, good.
Impamvu y'ibi ni uko perezida muri Amerika aba ari nk'umutako. Hari umurongo runaka aba agomba gukurikiza kabone n'ubwo yaba afite imbaraga zingana iki. Yadashatse kubikurikiza, Trump niwe ushobora kukubera urugero. Bamwe bavuga ko ari Illuminati, Freemasons, BlackRock n'andi matsinda menshi, ariko nta muntu n'umwe uzahiza imbaraga zifite ubushobozi bwo kwica abaperezida b'iki gihugu zituruka. Ni abantu bakora byose mu mwijima. Bafite imbaraga zo kwica buri umwe buri hamwe kandi ntihagire ubakurikirana. Nguko uko politiki ya Amerika yubatse. Perezida John F. Kennedy nawe wiciye mu ruhame yarashwe n'umuhungu w'imyaka 24 Lee Harvey Oswald, wari waranabaye mu gisirikare cya Amerika cy'abamarine. Uyu musore yaje kwicwa atagejejwe imbere y'urukiko ngo abazwe icyaba cyabimuteye cyangwa waba yamutumye. Uyu munsi amateka bisa nk'ayisubiyemo kuko Trump yagerageje kwicwa n'umuhungu w'imyaka 20 Thomas Matthew Crooks, ndetse ahambere wagiye anagaragara mu mashusho yamamaza ibikorwa by'ikigo cya BlackRock kiri mu bitavugirwamo ku isi yose. Kuba yishwe nanone bisobanuye ko aba yamutumye cyangwa icyaba cyabimuteye nacyo kitazamenyekana. Inzego z'umutekano za Amerika ziratungwa agatoki mu byabaye, hagendewe ku kuba abatangabuhamya babonye umwicanyi imbere y'uko arasa ndetse bakamutungira agatoki abapolisi ariko bakanga kugira icyo bakora.
We're pointing at the guy crawling up the roof.
And he had a gun, right?
He had a rifle. We could clearly see him with a rifle. Absolutely. We're pointing at him. The police are down there running around on the ground. We're like, hey man, there's a guy on the roof with a rifle. And the police were like, huh, what? You know, like they didn't know what was going on.
Andi mashusho kandi agaragaza ko bamudahusha mu mutwe wa Secret Service ushinzwe kurinda Trump bamaze igihe babonye umurashi, ariko bakamurasa nyuma y'uko nawe yari amaze kurasa kuri Trump hamwe no mu kivunge cy'abantu. Undi ushinzwe umutekano wa Trump yagaragaye asa nk'uri guhungisha abagafotozi mbere y'amasegonda make ngo Trump arasweho. Bishoboka ko bari bamaze kumenya ko hari umurashi ariko bakirinda kugira icyo bakora. mu busesenguzi buri gukorerwa amashusho agiye atandukanye yagiye akwirakwira ku mbuga nkoranyambaga mu gihe gito nyuma y'uko Trump arashwe, bari kugaragaza ko Trump ashobora kuba yari yahawe abamurinda badafite uburambe cyangwa badasanzwe bamenyereye aka kazi nk'ibisanzwe. Bagendeye ku mashusho y'abakobwa bashinzwe umutekano we bagaragaye bameze nk'abatazi icyo bari gukora ubwo yarimo yinjizwa mu modoka. Ibivugwa byo ni byinshi ndetse biragoye guhita wemeza ko harimo ukuri. Iperereza kugeza ubu ririmo rirakorwa n'ikigo cy'iperereza cya FBI, ndetse nibo bazatangaza byinshi ubwo kuri ibi byose kuzaba kumaze kumenyekana. Njye mwari muri kumwe ndi Kayira, intwari Bertrand. Amahoro.